let's get you back inside today. What's going on YouTube? This is my brand new 2024 Ducati 698. This bike just came out, and today we're going to be taking it on a little adventure. My favorite thing about this bike is how easy it is to take out. Oh my god, maybe less so when you start hitting things, but on a day like today where it's about 42 degrees Fahrenheit, I want to say 41, it's kind of a little chilly out. It's kind of nice to be able to just grab a bike that you don't mind getting muddy and dirty since the roads are still kind of wet out, and taking out a bike that can actually handle that. Ugh. Yeah, perfect. Don't fall. So my plan for today is I really want to take you guys to this amazing place that I discovered while in class. I'm taking an Earth History class this semester, and on lab recently we went to this amazing place that I want to show you guys and explain some of the history that we learned in my class. And I also really want to do it in a fun way, so that's why we're taking the SUPERMOTO today. I just got this bike in February. It is March in Ohio, so that's why it's so miserable out today, but what can you do? Not to mention, this bike only has 890 miles, so she's still kind of new. Since all my friends are at work today, I want to take this opportunity to show you guys my favorite part about motorcycling, and that's the adventure. So come with me for a bit and let me explain some history of the Earth. Gotta beat that car. Don't want him to get in front because I'm faster. Fuck. Gotta lean further back. Ah, here we are. Yeah, this looks familiar. God, it's so wet out. You can just see it on the road. It's so nasty, man. I was gonna wait until tomorrow, but now it's saying it's gonna be even colder tomorrow now, so I'm like, I don't know, man. There's no winning in Ohio. Yep, still properly freaking wet. Love that for this thing. Sorry, buddy. Whatever, it's a motorcycle, meant to get ridden. Yeah, she looks pretty though. I'll give her that. I mean, this is exactly what this thing is meant to do in the summer. Maybe when it's dry, so I don't completely tear up this nice grass, but you just cut across there and just leave. Against my better judgment, I'm gonna leave the bike parked there, and we're gonna walk the rest of our way to our destination. I'm going to attempt to do this with a motorcycle helmet on, so that means I'm going to be like deprived of oxygen because I was out of breath doing this before. So the place I brought you guys to is called Whips Ledges. It's in Ohio. I think it's in Brunswick, I believe. All right, yeah, here we go. This is the easy part too because we got stairs. I never knew this place existed the entire time. I've been living in Ohio my entire life, but I lived in the north part where it's all flat. Oh boy, love the mud. I don't have any hiking boots, so I just wore black shoes. When I came here with the class, I almost wiped out right here. Okay, now you can start to see the cool parts of this place and why I was so desperate to bring you guys here. Last time I came here, it was about here where I looked up and realized I didn't feel like I was in Ohio anymore. I mean, just look at this place. This is like out of a movie. Kind of makes you feel like you're like in Harry Potter or something. Yeah, the camera really doesn't do it any justice here, but you feel incredibly small walking through a place like this. Like this gotta be, I think around, I don't know, 80 feet tall? If I had to guess, I don't really know. Someone out there is going to fact check me, but I feel like a little tiny toy walking through a hallway. They change, but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful, but and I just never knew that this stuff existed in Ohio. And once I can climb up, I can actually show you guys some of the cool parts about this place. Yeah, this is pretty cool. It's a pretty cool spot to explain all this stuff. So I did fact check with my professor before coming here with a couple things. So the rocks that you see all throughout here are 320 million years old. It's from a geologic era called the Pennsylvanian, which in geologic time is not that old, but still pretty old. And what's unique about this place is a lot of the rock at the time that was formed has been entirely isolated. And so this is one of the very few places that you actually get to observe and see all of this kind of rock. And it's all still naturally preserved, which is really cool. None of it was mined or taken out of the earth. It's called sandstone. Now there's different types of sandstone, but this is a very coarse, a very well sorted version of sandstone. And all of this stuff that you see here, this has been exposed for thousands of years. I actually don't know. Based off of the weathering that we can see here, this has been exposed for quite a while. This, however, looks like the exact sample that one of our classmates unearthed. And what was cool about this piece is this piece resembles very similar to what is actually underneath all of this very extremely weathered sandstone. And what it looks like is it's basically just beach sand that has been just compressed and formed into sandstone. And that's weird because there's no beaches around here. What happened there? Well, millions of years ago, Ohio was actually at the equator. So during the time where all the sandstone was being formed, all of this was at the equator and it was all beach. A lot of this was just a shallow beach depositional environment, and that's why you could see these waves and these levels of different sandstone. Oh, I almost forgot one more thing. Where is it? Oh, the conglomerate pieces. Where'd they go? I could have sworn. Oh, there it is. Perfect. So as you can see at the very top there, I don't know how well you can see it on camera, but there are these levels of conglomerate, which are what these giant quartz pieces are. And this is a lovely demonstration of that. Yes.
these pieces, lovely conglomerate. So you can see here, there's obviously a change at the depositional environment from the sandstone being deposited here. A massive change, which probably there was a river running through here, depositing all these quartz conglomerate pieces, and then once again switching to back to sandstone once again. A lot of these giant chunks have fallen over the years, and so at the very top there you can see that conglomerate layer I'm talking about. This is just that same layer up close. As you can see, this layer most likely fell off of there, fell down here where we can actually observe it. Very convenient for Mother Earth to do that for us. And when I first came here, a lot of this stuff really freaked me out. A lot of this looks like that, like alien structure, like egg structure. What it actually is, they're basically water pores. While all these sandstone pieces were being formed, groundwater was running through this, basically leaving these little deposits, like little, not necessarily tunnels, but just little pockets where that water sat and eroded away. Doesn't really serve any interesting point other than when people come here to rock climb, it's awesome that they have little pieces to hold on to. Now, my original plan was to come here and try to rock climb up a bit, but I don't know about that. Might as well. I'm here. I figured, why not? I'm so out of breath. I'm gonna talk with this goddamn helmet on, trying to explain the history that I've forgotten most of. This is not gonna be on my test at all. I just thought it'd be interesting to explain some of this stuff. I'm gonna try to go up here. Let's see. Please nothing fall out of my pocket. That would suck. Yeah, let's go. And yeah, you're basically king of the world up here. Oh, this place is so cool. I still can't believe I never knew about this. Oh, I gotta do my cardio. And the reason I wanted to come over here, and that's not it. Where is it? There's an awesome little cave that I'm not exploring today. I may ride motorcycles and play danger with my life, but I'm not gonna go caving. Okay, well, maybe that is the cave. I don't remember. I don't think it is. I might have passed it, or maybe I didn't go far enough. I don't really remember. Ooh, yeah, this ain't it. All right, well, I'm not gonna go down the cave anyway, so I'm not gonna look for it. But just know there is a cave here, and it's really cool. Woo. Oh, okay. Yeah, don't jump down there. Bad idea. There's some stairs over here I can take back down. That way I don't have to rock climb down. Rock climbing up is a lot easier than coming down. Steeper than what I remember. I thought this was supposed to be a fucking easy staircase, huh? Nope, nothing fucking easy here. Woo. Oh yeah, this place is cool. Here's a little stairwell. Who's the brainiac that used shiny stone to make this stairwell? I have no idea. This is almost worse than rock climbing. Got like no supports for my hands. Oh my god. Matthew Woods heavy breathing compilation. It doesn't help I'm having like fucking sinuses up the ass right now. Here we go. Made it. Yes. So the main reason I brought you guys here is not to make this a whole history lesson, but as YouTube seemingly comes down more and more on motorcycling content, I kind of want to take this channel in a different direction. A lot of politicians and people in power like to talk down about motorcycling, how it's a dangerous hobby, and boomers on Facebook love to talk about how dangerous we are, when in reality I think the next generation of bikers were just a bunch of kids that got sick of staying inside. I mean, I was in high school through the pandemic. We were forced to stay inside for months. It sucked. Motorcycling is what gets me outside, and well, yeah, it's dangerous and we make some questionable decisions sometimes. I think a life is better lived outside, living in a little bit of danger, than being stuck inside, being a drone your entire life. Yeah, you could look at this stuff in a picture online, but it's nothing like actually getting outside and exploring it for yourself. So hey, if you're watching the channel and you live in the area, dude, I suggest you come here and check it out for yourself, because trust me, the video is not going to do any justice for you. Share it with your friends. Go with your friends here. It is so much fun to hang out. However, again, I'm an environmental science major, and I will say, if you're going to come here with your friends, please be respectful. Don't come here and mark things up. Don't mark trees up. Don't mark the rocks up, because all you're doing is just destroying a place that is one of the very few beautiful places left on this earth. And I mean, like, look, there's nobody here. There's no reason to leave an imprint. It is a great place to come rock climbing, though, so if that's something you like doing in an indoor gym, try coming here. They have little places where you can hook on, so that way you don't fall and hurt yourself, but you can rock climb safely, and that's really cool. There's more to do than just walk around here and see things, but that's worth doing too, because that's pretty much what I just did, so it's got to be worth doing. Okay, we got a predicament here. I guess I'm getting wet no matter what. All right. That's awesome. Yeah, guys, find whatever reason, but get outside. Put down the phone for a bit. I mean, I haven't been on my phone pretty much the entire time I've been here, except to pull out and I guess make content, but that's for you guys and to motivate you to get out here. And it didn't cost me anything but the gas money it cost me to get here, which is not that much at all, especially on a motorcycle. So it's literally free. It's really good exercise, good entertainment, infuses joy into your life, which I mean, that's really important. Gives you a whimsical spirit. And if you're antisocial like me, gives you a chance to get away from some people for a while, which I mean is great. But I also plan on showing my friends this place too, because I know most of them haven't seen this place. So, and yes, I know there's going to be some guy in the comments be like, how'd you not know this place didn't exist? But I'm like, my whole point of this video is to try to get people outside. That's because I didn't go outside a lot when I was a kid. So like I'm trying to help people not do what I used to do and help them to show them, be like, get outside, bro, it's awesome, it's sick. Because it is. And there's probably so much more to this place I haven't explored yet, but I don't have the time for that today, unfortunately. So I can always come back, especially when I'm not filming and have a street helmet on my face where I'm trying to suck in oxygen this entire time. It's not fun. It's not fun at all, man. And there she is, back to home base, man. Please start. There's someone from Ducati who says, please send me an exhaust. I get there on back order and Europe probably gets them first, but this bike needs it. And like, I would like to have it for the summer. And I still can't breathe out of my nose. Whatever, I'm not taking off my helmet to blow my nose again. I'm going right back home. But 100% worth it to get out here and enjoy for a bit, because I've been stuck inside all winter. There we go. Ooh, we're not gonna go that way. It's all wet and probably water from the latrine. Right? Yeah, dude. Success. I'm so happy we got to record that. Now let's see if I can make it home in one piece without crashing on the cold and wet ground here. No cop, right? Fucking tweak. And that's the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed my little ride along today. Make sure you subscribe, because like I said, we're going to be doing a lot more of these like outdoor adventures, because that's what motorcycling is really all about, guys. So stick around, stay tuned. We're going to be doing a lot of crazier stuff. Love this thing. This thing is so much fun. Oh my god. Literal 10 out of 10 motorcycle. I just need to be able to ride it more.